mushroom category is a dynamic one, primed for growth and opportunity across retail, food service, and home kitchens alike. Mushrooms are an essential part of a daily diet and a flavorful ingredient for recipes, which is why Monterey Mushrooms grows all types of mushrooms, from the familiar whites to new popular favorites such as Baby Bellas. The supply chain journey is key, and Monterey Mushrooms is giving you VIP access to its growing operation. Welcome to Behind the Greens. Today, we explore exactly how mushrooms become high in vitamin D, the coveted quality that accelerates their demand. Unlike other fruits and vegetables, the penetrable tissue of mushrooms responds to light, similar to the way people do, by increasing vitamin D content when exposed to sunlight. Unfortunately, commercially raised mushrooms are not grown in sunlight, thereby lacking in vitamin D. Monterey Mushrooms boost the natural value of our mushrooms by exposing them to ultraviolet lights just before packaging. To ensure quality and flavor, we teamed up with the U.S. Department of Agriculture to replicate vitamin D-rich sunshine indoors. As a result of our specially developed lighting system, eating a dozen of our medium-sized, high vitamin D labeled mushrooms gives you all the vitamin D required in a day, an advantage and benefit we can all tip our caps to. Thank you for watching this episode of Behind the Greens.